Sabe.
Then once you get the product in there, it just like smooths it down.
Yeah.
So even when it's dry?
No, you're never gonna leave it dry like this. You're gonna blow dry it and then you're gonna put your pomade in.
Okay.
Say hello. Hello.
Oh my god.
Trust me, you're gonna love this. I swear. Look down. Stick in the position. Don't cry.
You know, I always make fun of those girls on America's Next Top Model.
Like,
They
yes?
cry when they get their haircut. But I think I know where they're coming from.
It's a big thing, right?
That razor is just driving me crazy right now.
Does it not feel nice?
No.
It doesn't feel nice?
No.
It hurts?
No, it's not. It hurts.
The fact that you feel it?